Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. I wanted to make a quick video to highlight the distinction between authors and instructors in LifterLMS. I've seen a little bit of confusion about this recently, so I wanted to make a video kind of explaining and noting what the difference is. So each course in LifterLMS has an instructor and an author. If I edit any of my LifterLMS courses by clicking on this title there, we'll let the page load up. We can see under the general settings here, under document, that there is an author of this post, and then under the LifterLMS settings in the corner, we also have instructors. Instructors will be listed on this block right here, the instructors block in your WordPress core editor area. You can also have multiple instructors. So if I were to add a second instructor on here and go ahead and update, reload here, we'll see there's two boxes for two instructors, but there's still only one author listed on here. And some confusion can arise when you maybe remove one instructor. So Will at WPCourseGuide.com should just be my instructor right here. They're also labeled author, which is a little bit confusing, but I head to my settings and my author is Magic Will Middleton, even though my instructor is Will at WP Course Guide. This can lead to some confusion on the course catalog page. You can see it's going to list the author of the course rather than the instructor. So if I want Will at WP Course Guide to display on the page here, my course catalog page, I'll need to make sure they're listed as the author of the post. The instructors will just appear here, and they'll be the ones who have access to the course to edit it. So if I go ahead and update, we'll see that change right there. And that's because I changed the author, not necessarily because I changed the instructor. It's a little bit confusing because they're labeled author, but that's just a label you can change. If you wanted to change it to teacher or instructor, that label will just appear right here on the instructor's box. So yeah, that's the distinction between instructors and authors and kind of how it applies to LifterLMS and why there may be some confusion on the course catalog page, for example. But this has been Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.